prove that Vrms is equal to Vrms is directly proportional to square root of the temperature. Okay, then pressure exerted by a gas molecule on the wall of the container P is equal to one by three rho. P is equal to pressure, V is equal to volume, rho is equal to density, rho is equal to mass per unit volume. Okay, then P is equal to 1 by 3 rho Vrms square. Then P is equal to 1 by 3 m by v into v RMS square. Then PV is equal to, in this way we have to write, PV is equal to mv RMS divided by 3. Okay, PV is equal to 3mv square RMS divided by 3. Then 3PV is equal to mVRMS square. Then VRMS square is equal to 3PV divided by m. Okay, then PV is equal to, we know PV is equal to nRT. Okay, for ideal gas. Then V square RMS VRMS square is equal to, we put the value of PV nRT, then 3 nRT divided by m. Then we find the nRT is equal to, that is equation, this is equation 1. Then n is equal to mass of gas, okay, m capital M divided by m in m0 is equal to mass of gas divided by mass of Avogadro's number of gas molecule. Avogadro's, very important question, Avogadro's number of gas molecules. Okay, then we know mass of gas capital M is equal to, we write here, capital M is equal to small m into capital M, and m0 is equal to small m into Na, Avogadro's number. Okay, then m capital N by m0, then m into n divided by small m into Na, then m will be cancelled, then this is n by Na. Putting the value of n is equal to n by Na, putting the value of n, putting the value of small n in equation 1, what we get? We get V square RMS is equal to 3 into n by n Na into RT divided by value of capital M, m into n. Okay, we write another step. Then 3 into n by Na, okay, Avogadro's number, into RT divided by three into n by Na into RT divided by capital M, we write n into m into n. Then we solve 3 nRT divided by V square RMS is equal to 3 nRT m into Na into n. Okay, then n will be cancelled and 3 RT divided by m into Na, m0, m naught. Then V square RMS is equal to 3 RT divided by m0. This implies that Vrms is equal to square root of 3 RT divided by m0. Then this implies that Vrms is equal to k into t. This implies that k into root square root of t. Okay. K is the constant of proportionality. K into root t, root square root of t. Then V RMS is directly proportional to square root of the temperature. Okay, pressure exerted by the gas molecule on the wall of the container, P is equal to 1 by 3 rho V square RMS. Then we have to prove in this way. Thank you.